I'm going to show you probably one of the most consistent MNQ strategies over the last 2 years that you're ever going to find on YouTube. Now, here's what you're not going to see. Oh my gosh, I just made $60,000 in a day. You're going to see I stacked a bunch of consistent small wins with very minimal losses over a long period of time, which made me a successful trader. So let me show you what it looks like on the chart. We're going to start back in 2025. So here we are using QuantCrawler Signals Strategy, which is coming out here towards the end of June 2026. I just want to give you a quick overview if you've never seen it so you know what this is, and then I'm going to show you 2025 and 2026. We'll then blend them together. We'll look at the numbers over a period of time so you can see that this truly, I believe, is the most consistent MNQ day trading strategy that you're going to find. So this is how it works. QuantCrawler Signals identifies where the trends are, whether they're going bearish or bullish, and there's 5 confluences that all go into it. And when everything aligns based on your settings, it will give you a sell or a buy signal for a long or a short. So you can see right here, this is picture perfect from June 1st, 2026 of how it works. The trend goes bearish, waits. All of your confluences in alignment based on your settings, whatever you fine tune in here, it fires a short and it runs right here to your take profit. This trend then continues. It fires another short straight to your take profit on the same candle, actually, that it enters you in. Trend continues, pulls back a little. It then likes it again. Everything aligns. You get another 3 wins in a row, all on a short, all in the Asia session on June 1st. Then continuing into pre-London late Asia session, the trend flips bullish. You then, instead of your sells, get 3 buy signals. And as you can see, signals a buy, enters you in, hits your take profit. And to follow it up, to go 6 for 6 on June 1st, you get entered in right here on a buy signal straight to your take profit. After these 6 wins, nothing is triggered for Tuesday, June 2nd, and we are now into Wednesday, June 3rd, because nothing is in alignment. You can see this is nothing but chop. There's not enough aligning for your confluences to go off. And then you have New York open, which is a nightmare. It's rebounding back in a nightmare. So we're going to see if we even get a signal today. We may not, but let me now show you what some back tested results are that will confirm this is validated and this is consistent. So we're going to start here in 2025, January 1 to December 31, 2025, only looking at this calendar year. This is running 2 contracts on MNQ. It has a P&L of 10,543. It has a drawdown of 2,800 for an almost 71% win rate and a profit factor of 1.226. Like I said in the beginning of the video, you're not hitting massive home runs. Your profit factor isn't going to be 8 with a 70% win rate. You're stacking small wins while trying to mitigate losses. So you can see the year of 2025 actually starts off pretty rough. You start at, let's just say, $300, and at your lowest peak, you run down to $2,078. So you're kind of having a rough start through March. But then after March decides to stop messing around, it picks up and you get this beautiful equity curve. You're getting some peaks and valleys and some ladders and hitches and stuff like that. But any strategy is going to have its losses. But over 790 trades in 2025 calendar year alone for 559 wins. So you're getting the big ledges and you get small corrections, and then you get big ledges. So you're making money on this strategy. Are you fully prop firm compliant? Set it and forget it. Not on 2 contracts, but if you set it to 1, you 100% could run this on prop firms all year long and literally never even think about it, never touch it, just let it do its thing. You're not bragging about how much money you made unless you're stacking this on like 60, 70, 80 accounts. But actually, no, what? Even 20 accounts. If you had 20 funded Apex accounts and you were making $5,000 in a year, you're making 100 grand. I know it's not always that simple. It's just an example. But you're not about this, but you're surviving all year long. So let me go back to 2 contracts. And while that loads, I'm going to queue up 2026 so you can see how we're shaping up so far this year. So 2026, January 1 to June 3 today on 2 contracts, you are at a P&L of 12,866 with a drawdown of 1,324. Again, this is at 2 contracts. This is not 1, 2 contracts. You are surviving prop firm drawdowns all year long. You barely go red for like the very beginning of January for like a couple days. and then this thing takes off. The equity curve is beautiful. Again, you have some hitches in here. You're going to take a good string of wins, then you take a couple losses, and it's just that's trading for you. It's going to happen. But look at this. For the prior 6 months, 12,866 P&L, drawdown of 1,324, profitable trades. Your win rate is 77.89%. That's insane, with a profit factor of 1.7. So when I go back now and run this collectively together from January 1 of 2025 to current, you'll be able to see over the last year and a half, 18 months or so, you are performing very well with this strategy. A P&L of $23,511 with a max drawdown of $2,800, which really came from the beginning of 2025, for a 73% win rate over 1,100 trades, almost 1,200 trades, and a profit factor of 1.362. So, like I said, show me a more consistent MNQ strategy that is literally proven with L2 tick data. That's what my Python engine uses, with a 70-30 walk forward. Is what that means is the Python engine sees 70% of the data and it withholds 30% entirely. That 30% to even give me these stats and filters to run in TradingView has to hold up and be equal to or better than the 70% that the Python engine saw. So it compares all of that. This is off of level 2 tick data put into TradingView, and these are the results over the last 18 months. So this strategy is coming out at the end of June. It's coming out to QuantCrawler Elite members and Lifetime members, and I will be giving everybody these settings. So if you want to see and have access to this with your own eyes on your own charts, you can go to the link. It's at the top of the video right here. Check everything out. There are 2 links you can go to. I'll put them both in the description. You don't have to do a lifetime membership. It's a one-time fee, or you can just do the monthly elite. And I would almost guarantee you, if you do the monthly elite one time, you should pass an evaluation and or get a payout. That would then be enough to convert over to lifetime and never pay again and have access to this strategy your whole entire trading career.